Hello guys, today I will describe about MongoDB. MongoDB, you will know today the basic concept of MongoDB. I am Arif Hussain, Senior Software Engineer, Bangladesh Solution, Dhaka, Bangladesh. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a free and open source cross-platform document-oriented database program classified as a NoSQL database program. MongoDB use JSON-like document with schemas. MongoDB written by C++. MongoDB also cross-platform document-oriented database that provide high performance, high availability, and easy scalability. MongoDB work on concept of collection and document. The many large and medium scale organizations such as Salesforce, Foursquare, Craigslist, and eBay are now using MongoDB in development of their database application. So background of MongoDB. MongoDB is developed by MongoDB Inc. USA. Initially released 2009 February 11 and currently stable version 3.6. MongoDB, the database is a physical container for collection. Each database get its own set of file and on the file system. A single MongoDB server typically has multiple databases. What is MongoDB collection? Collection is a group of MongoDB documents. It is equivalent of an RDBMS relational database management system table. A collection exists within a single database. Collection do not enforce a schema. Document within a collection can have different field. So what is MongoDB document? MongoDB store data record as a JSON document. JSON is a binary representation of JSON document. Though it is contains more data type than JSON. Document is a set of key value pairs. A record in a MongoDB collection is basically called a document. The document in turn will consist of field name and value. This is field and this is value. This name is status group and this is also array. What is the document structure of MongoDB? MongoDB document is composed field and value pairs. The value of field can be any of JSON data type including other document, array and array of document. Here is the MongoDB document and this is underscore ID, this is reserve ID, this is automatic created by MongoDB, and here is the name, name object, the first name and last name. This is embedded document. Here is the birth field and date, also contribute, else view is the number. This is ID, hold on object ID. The name hold embedded document contain the field first name last name. Birth date and hold values of date type. Contains hold an array string. This is the array string. View hold and value number long type. Naming convention of MongoDB document field names. Basically field name are strings. Document have the following restriction of and field name. The field name underscore ID is reserved for the user primary key. Its value must be unique in the collection. It's immutable and may be of any type of other than an array. The field name cannot start with a dollar sign character. The field names cannot contain a dot character. Field name cannot contains the null character. A BSON document may have more than one field with the same name. MongoDB with a structure has table that doesn't support duplicate field name. So here is the RDBMS terminology with MongoDB. This is the RDBMS and MongoDB. RDBMS database and MongoDB database also the called the same name. RDBMS table, here MongoDB called the collection, RDB is called the row, and MongoDB is just called the document. RDBMS column name and MongoDB here is the field. RDBMS table join, MongoDB here represent as a embedded document. RDBMS primary key, MongoDB primary key is underscore ID. Database server and client. RDBMS, MySQL ID, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Plus, and MongoDB is Mongod and Mongo. What is the main advantage of MongoDB? One is the schemaless. MongoDB is a document database in which one collection holds different document number, field, content, size of document can differ from one document to another. No complex joint. Age of scale out. MongoDB easy to scale. Conversion, mapping of data, application object to database object not needed. Document oriented storage. Data is stored in the from JSON style document. Index on attribute. Replication high availability. Auto sharing. Risk queries passed in place. Update in proportional support by MongoDB. How to use MongoDB? This big data use MongoDB. Content management and delivery system use MongoDB. Mobile and social infrastructure, user data management and data stuff. Load balancing and sharing. Load balancing and sharing. If you have huge amount of data or want to distribute the traffic of your database among various machines to balance the load, MongoDB carries number of advantages over traditional database. Moreover, sharing, which is MongoDB unique approach for fulfill the requirement of growth in data. Make us the horizontal scrolling and allow you to the multiple machine for the purpose of supporting the growth of data. Disadvantage of MongoDB. Uses a memory. MongoDB stores the key name along with the every document. It naturally consume more memory. Also, slow query join are not possible because join with the code are required to be performed. You often have the deal with du- sorry duplicate data as a no join. Like a relation database, join are simply not possible in MongoDB. Thus, if you ever need to functionality of join, you will require the create multiple queries with will have to join manual in the code. It's still under development. While SQL was developed in 1980s, MongoDB is entering the market 2009. As a result, MongoDB is not the extensively documented or tested. Also, lack of the ability to support an expert. MySQL versus MongoDB. MySQL is written C++, C, also MongoDB C++, C and JavaScript. MySQL is RDBMS, MongoDB is document oriented. The main point of MySQL is table, and MongoDB called collection, MySQL row called, and MongoDB called document, MySQL column called, and MongoDB called field. The schemas is static and MongoDB is dynamic. Scaling, MySQL is vertically and MongoDB is horizontally. Here is the some key features of MongoDB. Now we will go to the example of MySQL and MongoDB, which company use in MySQL and MongoDB. As the MySQL use NASA, US Navy, Bank of Finland, UCR, Walmart, Sony, SC Security Corporation, Telenor, Stock, Uber, Zappos, Booking.com, Facebook, and others. Here is the MongoDB currently use Expedia, Moses, Ota, eBay, Gap, Forbes, Foursquare, Adobe, Stewart, MetLife, Buzzfield, Citigroup, also City Chicago, and other company use the MongoDB. Here is the some GUI tools for MongoDB, for MongoDB data representation tools. The most famous is the MongoDB Compass. This easy way to explore and manipulate your MongoDB data. Here is the another GUI tool, Mongo Hub, Mongo Booster, Studio 3D, Rock Mongo, PSP Mo Admin, Mongo BUE, Mongo Express, UMongo, Jenkins, Spring Data, Mongo Explorer, Nuclear Database Master, NoSQL Manager, Mongo Management Studio, EDA, Mongo JS Query, NoSQL Client, MongoDB Sharding Visualizer, and Cluster Control. Here is the all of the GUI tools for MongoDB. Thank you so much.